Howdy, my name is David. I'm a Coke Play Frontier from the Genesis Group. I'm just giving you a quick market update on what's going on. All right. Now, let's look at this chart. I tell you what, I've said in other videos that if we can't hold this red line, we're going to go down. And yeah, we went down, unfortunately. But I did say at the end of last video that I didn't know exactly which way it'll go, but I do expect couple weeks from now or then, which was I posted up on Sunday, that things will look good. It'll go up. And so yeah, I still got till the end of this Sunday and next or basically at the end of the month, for the candle to close above. Okay. And like I said, it's unfortunate because I went all in, and Bitcoin, the market definitely got the better of me on this deal. But I want you guys to look at something. There's a couple of things I want you to look at. I said that normally at the end of October, if October is a good month, that normally November and December, statistically, they're good. All right. And really look at the monthly chart. Okay. It's not that far off from the end of October. We still got 2 weeks left, So do I think that November, the candle will close at a green above October? Yes. Yes, I do. And if you look at the daily, if you look here, we're still making lower highs and higher highs. So let's look here. Okay, let's say, whatever. I mean, if you look, 46,000 or 53,000, and then we went up to 66,000, almost 67,000, right? And then we went down to 57,800. Then we went up. Well, on this for BTC to BUSD, which is Binance USD, is 69,000. But other ones like Tether, 70,000. And then we went down to 58,370, which is a higher low. 57,800, 58,370. That's a higher low. We had 66,000, 67,000 basically. And, depending on which ones you look at, 69,000 to 70,000. Those are higher highs. So we're in the good. I know this sucks, but I still think at the end of November, when November's finished, we're gonna have a green candle, not a red candle. That's just my personal opinion. You could just look at it statistically on past history, that whenever Bitcoin finishes October with a green candle, November and December are pretty good months. Now, if we look at the technical analysis of this, if you check this out, if you look here, whenever Bitcoin's going down, touches the green candle, it will support. It will support. It would bounce off. Now, the green candle is being resistance. We need to push back above the green candle. You look at the red candle, the green might have been support where you have the wicks, but the red is where the bodies will actually close. Here it was, red was support, and then you had a big red just dump all the way down to the yellow line, right? The yellow line is support. We do not want to go under the yellow. And in fact, we do not want to go under 57,800. We do not want to go under that. We need to move uphill. And so we need to go above the green, get back above the red, and even, start testing the orange line again. And we need to get above this annoying blue line, all right? And that's pretty much it. That, so the charts that I'm using is by Optical Art. You just see it right there up top. I'm a subscribed member. The charts are amazing. You see Bitcoin hit the lines and bounce. And really, this is for swing traders. Okay, so if you know it hit the yellow line, you might want to, swing trade for Bitcoin to go up. But also, if it goes down, you want to swing trade, depending on what lines it hits, you know when to go and call in a short. Okay, but this chart says Optical Arts, this is a great chat group. I'm a paying subscribe member, and I'm really paying subscribe member for the Koch family. Okay, because I want you guys to see the technical analysis of this. All right, and so I want you to see which prices we need to break for things to look good. And in case you want to, if you are a swing trader, you could look at the numbers and see what lines that if it hits, you might want to short, or, you want to call. Okay. But that's beside the point. Now, another thing about Bitcoin. First, let's look at KOK-COIN. KOK-COIN is looking phenomenal. Remember when I said Bitcoin goes down, Bitcoin struggles, KOK-COIN tends to do well. Yes, it's doing well. Look at it right now. It's almost back to its all-time highs. Today, it hit $3.22. I guess here you could say it hit $3.20. Oh, okay. So we went above $3.20. All right. Maybe it was $3.25. And then if you look now, well, let's hit the 24-hour chart. We're back above $3.20. And it went back down. But KOK-COIN is pumping. Like I said, maybe a couple weeks back, that within 60 days of a couple weeks back, I thought, yeah, KOK-COIN is going to have a pump up. We're going to break all-time highs. And we're going to be in that, 350 to 370, 380 range, and then level back off at $3.50 around that. Is that still? Yeah, I think it's possible, because it doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. If you look at KOK-COIN's overall chart, the trend is your friend, and the trend is telling you KOK-COIN is going to move up, and is moving up right now while Bitcoin is struggling. Okay? Bitcoin is struggling. Right? But not KOK-COIN. But right now, yeah. From 70,000, look at the price now, but look at KOK-COIN. And so you got to look at the DXY, and this is why the DXY kind of scares me. And if I look at the DXY right now, the dollar continues to get stronger. Okay? So when the dollar gets stronger, normally Bitcoin and the other markets take a hit. Look at the Dow. Okay, so you can see how when the DXY on Tuesday, it had or between Monday, Tuesday, had a pretty good performance. And now the Dow is starting to go down. Same with the S&P and same with Bitcoin. And normally, if you see that the dollar's going up, but the U.S. markets continue to go up with the dollar, normally that's because the other markets around the world are not looking good. Rather, the market in China, Japan, Europe, the money over there is moving into the U.S. markets. And that's when the DXY and the, the Dow, S&P, Bitcoin will all go up, because the other markets are, not doing too well. So, but we see that the dollar's getting strong. The other markets are kind of moving down. But at the end of the day, I still think Bitcoin, by the end of November, as long as we don't go under 57,800, okay, because then we're making higher lows. And we're going to have a wave up, hopefully. And in November, we're going to have another green candle. In December, another green candle. Okay. So I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm telling you what I think, and I gave you the reasons why. Okay? Because the trend is your friend. The trend is up right now. We haven't made a lower low. We're making higher lows and higher highs. All right? So, but for us in the Koch family, it doesn't even matter with Bitcoin. Because I've always shown you in all the other charts or all the other videos that KOK-COIN doesn't rely on Bitcoin to go up, for KOK-COIN to go up. KOK-COIN will go up on its own because the foundation, the fundamentals of KOK-COIN so solid. Okay, so KOK-COIN looks good. I think it was like 2 weeks ago, I think. We had 60 days. So, yeah, at least to me, in my opinion, within 45 days, by the end of the year, KOK-COIN's going to make new highs. If it was like $3.25 or $3.30 was a previous high, we're going to break that. That's just my opinion. That's what I see in the charts because I'm looking at the lengthening period. All right, I'm looking at the period, how long it takes for KOK-COIN to continue to break new highs. And if I look at this, yeah, is around that time for KOK-COIN to make a new high, despite the other markets, despite what BTC does. Okay, so that's what I see in the charts, and that's what I think is going to happen. All right, and it looks like, you know, we're getting close to that point. All right, so yeah, if you're in KOK-COIN, you're part of the Koch Play family, do not worry, we're in the good. Okay, that's why I don't sell my KOK-COINs. I hold them or I use them to mine more. All right, okay, everyone. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, okay? And if you want to join KOK-COIN or Koch Play, go to Play Store, hit KOK space PLAY. You can use my invite code, QAABIRWL. Join the Koch Play family. And everyone out there, stay blessed, okay? God bless y'all, really God bless y'all, and Koch on.